When venturing outside, having the appropriate equipment is crucial. Having dependable gear makes your travels easier and more pleasurable, from little lanterns and strong headlamps to portable fans, water filters, and multipurpose cooking implements. 10 of the most useful and ingenious camping devices that blend robustness and adaptability have been compiled by us. Ideal for simplifying and adding memories to your upcoming trip. Whether you're camping, trekking, or living the van life, the Outdoor Guardian's motion sensor keeps your campsite and gear secure anywhere. Its radar-based detection instantly senses movement from people or animals, sending quick alerts so you can respond fast. Lightweight, compact, and weatherproof, it performs reliably in rain, snow, or dust with a 30-hour battery life on one charge. Best of all, it works fully offline, perfect for off-grid adventures. With instant group alerts, a rugged build, and easy, no-tech setup, the Outdoor Guardians offers peace of mind and reliable protection wherever your journey takes you. Cooking outdoors has never been easier with the Mars Players 1. Perfect for camping, glamping, or road trips. This compact yet powerful device delivers consistent heat for boiling water, brewing coffee, simmering stews, or grilling to perfection. Crafted from durable metals, heat-resistant glass, and robust components, it handles grassy fields, sandy dunes, rocky trails, and desert terrain with ease. The included emergency survival kit ensures you're ready for sudden weather changes or wildlife encounters. For outdoor chefs seeking convenience, reliability, and performance in one device, the Mars Players 1 EC is the ultimate all-in-one companion. Whether you're facing a sudden blackout or heading off-grid for a camping trip, the Jackery Explorer 1000 V2 makes staying powered effortless. With a 1,700 Wh capacity and 1,500 W output, it can easily run your fridge, Wi-Fi router, coffee maker, laptop, or even a Starlink router. Despite its power, it's lightweight at just over 10 kilograms and fits neatly in your car or a small corner at home. Charging is fast and flexible. Refill in under 2 hours via wall, solar panels, or both. Its built-in UPS ensures an instant switch during outages, keeping devices safe with stable output, surge protection, and Charge Shield 2.0. Operating quietly, it's ideal for storms or blackouts. Plus, the Smart App control via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth makes monitoring and managing power simple. Perfect for camping, emergencies, or home backup, the Explorer 1000 V2 delivers reliable energy anywhere. Don't miss Jackery's dual product bundle, up to 65% off during Prime Big Deal days. Perfect for powering multiple rooms and keeping your family worry-free. After a long day outdoors, nothing beats a hot meal, and the Coastal Range Backpacker stove makes it easy. This compact all-in-one design fits a 100 grams or 230 grams fuel canister, ensuring quick setup and cleanup. Its high-efficiency aluminum cup comes with a neoprene sleeve to protect your hands, a drink-through lid with strainer, and clear measurement markings for accurate cooking. The push-button ignition and adjustable flame offers simple control, while the self-centering base keeps your cup stable. Lightweight pot supports handle small skillets or cookware, and the BP-free bowl stores neatly under the cup. With comfortable neoprene handles and a space-saving build, it's perfect for fast, convenient outdoor cooking, letting you enjoy your adventure without the hassle. Overloaded with gear on your adventures? The ED Mag is your perfect lightweight companion. This seamless titanium utensil set keeps mealtime simple and your backpack organized. Its magnetic design snaps each piece together into a compact, silent bundle, no clanging or missing parts. Weighing under 60 grams, it's rust-proof, antibacterial, and built for long-lasting durability. The set includes a spoon, fork, knife, and chopsticks, all held securely by the magnetic lock system. Heat-resistant and easy to clean, it's ideal for mountain hikes or campfire meals. By replacing disposables with the ED Mag, you save space and make a sustainable choice, compact, sturdy, and perfect for any adventurer.